Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites. Make sure your ISP account shows active service and there's no reported outage. Next, power cycle the modem and router. Unplug both for 30 seconds, then plug the modem first. Wait until lights stabilize, then the router. While waiting, connect one device directly to the modem with Ethernet to isolate Wi-Fi. This tells you whether the problem is wireless only or the internet feed itself. Once done, you'll know the correct next diagnostic path. Now, log into the router admin page to inspect WAN status, DHCP, and firmware. Update firmware if outdated because bugs can break connectivity. Make sure the router is set to the appropriate mode. Then address interference. Switch channels, prefer 5 GHz for short-range high bandwidth, or use automatic channel selection. Test signal strength with one device positioned near the router and run a speed test. Review system, logs for repeated errors. These steps pinpoint configuration versus environmental causes so you can apply targeted. For final resolution, perform a factory reset on the router only if you've saved settings and tried other steps. This clears hidden misconfigurations. Reconfigure SSID, encryption, and passwords, and if problems persist, swap Ethernet cables, try a different router or a loaner modem to rule out hardware failure. If you still lack internet, call your ISP with modem logs, speed test results, and the timeline of steps you ran. Troubleshooting tip: run tests while connected via Ethernet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.